Welcome to Shelter, Food, and Beer. And tonight I'm going to be working with this. It's not a pig's nose. It's not an elf's nose. It's a antelope heart. That I love hearts of deer, elk, antelope, cows. It's pretty good meat. I'm going to cut this up and cook it like a chicken fried steak or a schnitzel or something and make it into a sandwich. I like to move some of this tougher membrane on the outside of the heart. So I just cut a little bit of the thicker areas off. And I'll cut this side of the heart off. Get that part off, get a nice flat part there. And then in the next chamber, I'll just start at the bottom, cut right up to the hole, open it up like that. I know most people don't like eating organs such as a heart, the liver, the kidney or something. And the heart is my absolute favorite organ, and I'm a big fan of livers. And they ask a lot of money for a cow's tongue, but cow tongue is really good. That's a lot of meat. I'm going to cut it down in size. So I have, 3 cutlets. Look at that. I get underneath it, and just like the inside of ribs, that will peel right off. That's beautiful. You know how you pull the insides of some baby back ribs off? Same difference. The heart is a very dense and not very fatty meat. And so when you pound it out like this, it's not going to splatter all over the place like a piece of chicken would. So you could either put it in a bag or not. I elect to not. You can see how it's starting to even out. And tenderize at the same time. This will make it cook really quick like a chicken fried steak would. Now that's an incredibly large amount of meat from one antelope heart. I've pounded out 2 of them and I left one alone because it was thin. I'll try them both different ways. You could easily feed 3 people with this.